Well, I really like to watch all the podcasts in the Amazon sector. So there's a journey from Scott Needham, and he does a journey of like every Amazon seller every week. And he's had over 1,000 guests come on. So that one's my favorite. YouTube, without a doubt, you can see the video tutorials, every single type of business, how to get started. It's visual, it's actionable insights. And you can even get shorts on YouTube now. They've made it TikTok. Just get started. But if we're going to go super old school, as a marketer, I like to send out postcards to prospects to try and get them to buy from me online. And that's the merger between digital and offline worlds. If you can drive one to the other, your conversion rate may not be as good, but your cost per acquisition, generally speaking, it's lower. Code Less Stupid, without a doubt, because it does a really good job of going high level. You get your bumper sticker sort of comment, and then he goes deep down in the weeds and explains the tactical as well. So it's really nice to be able to have it. I personally like it on Audible. I think he did a really good job voicing his own book. One of my favorite things I do is get away from the office, sit on a chair, and just have time to think. Most of my mistakes generally come from large 1, 2, 3 big mistakes in my life where I've tried to go outside of my sector of intelligence. And so I got to stick to my zone of genius. So just having time scheduled where you only think is the best advice I've ever received.
If you like this content, subscribe now and leave me a comment with what video you want me to shoot next.